Okay, so today the math was a little bit tricky for the kids. That's why I wanted to make a video just so you could see what we're doing and understand. So we're using the inverse operation to check our answers. So the inverse we talked about today means opposite. And the opposite of addition is subtraction. So the opposite of addition is subtraction, and the opposite of subtraction is addition. So it means that we can use subtraction to check our answers for addition problems, and we can use subtraction to check our answers for addition problems. So we're just going to do an example. Let's see. So I have 78 plus 56. So I'm going to go ahead and solve this with vertical addition. So I'm going to add 8 plus 6, and 8 plus 6 is 14. So I'm going to put my 4 ones down here, and then my 10 comes up here with the tens, and then I'm going to have 7 plus 1 is 8, and 8 plus 5 is 13. So my final answer is going to be 134. Now I'm going to check my answer to make sure that it's correct. So I'm going to bring my answer up here, and I'm going to use the inverse or the opposite operation to check. So this was an addition problem, so the opposite would be subtraction. If I'm doing a subtraction check, then I can subtract either one of these numbers. It doesn't matter which one I use. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 78. Now, if my answer is correct, then I should get the last number. So I have 134, I have 78. If this answer is correct, I should get 56. So let's check. I have 4 ones and I need to take 8 ones. It's not possible. I need to regroup. So I need to go next door and get 10 more. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to take away one of these 10s. So if I had 3 10s, it's going to be left 2 10s. And then my 10 ones are going to be here. So I have 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8 is 6. And now I have 2 10s, but I need to take away 7 10s. So again, I have a problem. I'm gonna need to go next door and get 10 more. So I'm gonna come over here, and I need to take away this 100 because I need to bring it over here and give myself 10 10s. So now I have 12 10s minus 7 10s. It's gonna be 5 10s. And I have 0 hundreds, so the answer is 56. So, there we go. So this answer is correct. Okay, let's do a subtraction problem this time. Okay, so let's say I have 232, and I'm going to subtract 173. Okay, so I have, I only have 2 ones, but I need to take away 3 ones, so I'm going to need to regroup. I'm going to go next door and get 10 more. So I go next door, I'm going to take away one of these 10s, and 10 ones right over here. So now I have 12 ones minus 3 ones. It's gonna be 9. Okay, now keep your eyes open. Now I have 2 minus 7. I need to go next door and get 10 more. So let's say that I have 12. 12 minus 7 is 6. 1 minus 1 is 0. So my answer is 69. Now, let's check. I'm going to bring my answer up here. It's going to be 69. Now, I need to do the inverse. So this was a subtraction problem. That means I'm going to have, this time, addition. Now, when I'm checking an addition problem, I have to use the 2 smaller numbers, okay? So 69 and 173 are the smaller numbers, right? So 69, I'm going to put my bigger number on top. And if my answer is correct, I should have 232 as my answer. So let's check. 9 plus 3 is 12. So I'm going to put my 2 ones, and then it's going to bring it up here. 7 plus 6 is 13, plus 1 is 14. And then I'm going to bring my 1 up here, and I have 2 hundredths. Okay, so let's see. Was I correct? Well, 173, 69, 232, 242. So that means this answer is not correct. So now I need to go back and see what mistake did I make in solving this problem. So let's come back here for a second. I'm just going to erase my answer. I'm just going to erase all this because I know it's wrong. And try one more time. Okay. So let's just go ahead and erase all of that. And let's try that again. Somewhere we made a mistake. So it was 232 minus 173. Let's try one more time. Okay, so I have 2 minus 3. Can't do it. I have more on the floor. I need to go next door and get 10 more. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to take 10. I'm going to bring 10 ones here. 12 minus 3, it's 9. Okay. Oh, 7. Can I take 7 from 2? No, I can't. I need to go next door, get 10 more. 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7 is 5. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, so now let's check our work. 59. And remember, when I'm doing addition, which is the opposite of subtraction, I need to take the 2 smaller numbers. So 59 and 173. And let's add. 9 plus 3 is 12. I'm going to bring my 10 up here. 7 plus 8, so 1 is 8. Plus 5 is 13. I'm going to take my 10 tens up here. 200s. Okay? 232. 232. So this time, I have got the correct answer. Okay? So if you have any questions, you can send me a message on Class Dojo, but I hope that was helpful, and good luck.